You feel pretty safe with your passwords, right? Like you threw in a capital letter, maybe PASSWORD becomes P at the rate double SW, a capital O, maybe RD123 exclamation mark, and you're thinking, hackers can't touch this, my account's a total fortress. I hate to burst your bubble, but to a real hacker, that secure password is about as useful as a wet paper towel trying to stop a bank vault from opening. Seriously. Right now, somewhere in the world, there is a computer or a whole farm of them guessing your strong password faster than you can finish your morning coffee. We're talking seconds, maybe minutes. Today, I am gonna debug that big fat lie you've been sold about online security. I'll break down exactly how passwords actually die in real life, why your fancy complexity is basically useless, and how, most importantly, the one dead simple trick that actually keeps hackers out for good. Stick around because this could save your entire digital life. Let's dive in. Okay, real talk. Most of us picture hackers like in the movies, right? Sitting in a basement, playing a slow game of hangman. Is it an A? No, okay, B. Typing one letter at a time. But if only. That's not how it works. Hackers use something called a brute force attack. They've got massive databases packed with every common word, every password that's ever leaked from breaches, and trust me, there are billions, plus every dumb combo like password 123 and let me in. They just slam through them at machine speed. Let me paint a picture. Humans suck at randomness. We think we're clever with stuff like Fluffy Dog 2023 or replacing capital O's with zeros, but computers, they are pattern spotting machines. They see right through it. Here's a crazy stat. A single modern GPU, like in a gaming PC, can try billions of guesses per second. Your average 8 character password cracked in under a minute. Even a strong 12 character password, one with mixes or tops. I remember when I first tested this on my own old password, scary fast. Don't be that person struggling to remember your own secured mess while a hacker sips tea. Complexity is a speed bump for computers, not a wall. It's like training for a marathon by adding one extra push. Useless against the pros. You might be thinking, hold up, what about the websites? They store passwords safely, right? Like encrypted or whatever. That's wrong again. Good companies don't store your actual password, they store a hash. Think of it like a one-way fingerprint. You put my dog buddy in it, spits out gibberish like maybe it spits something like A1, B2, C3, D4, E5. No one can reverse it easily in theory. But here's the nightmare fuel: companies get hacked all the time. Remember the massive LinkedIn breach in 2021? 700 million passwords leaked. Twitter, Yahoo, Adobe, it's a parade. When that happens, hackers don't get one password, they snag millions of hashes. They take them home, fire up their rainbow tables, pre computed lookup lists, or just brute force the hashes offline. No website alarms, no blogs, boom, they own the fingerprint. And the real killer, password reuse. If you use a P at the rate double SW, maybe the capital O again, RD123, everywhere, email bank, that sketchy pizza app you forgot about, one leak hands them keys to your whole life. I have seen it happen to friends. Email hacked the bank and then, hey, where is my pizza account? Ordering 50 larges. Don't let that be you. Check haveibeenpawned.com right now. Type in your email. If it's red, change everything. Pause the video, do it. Alright, so is it all doom and gloom? Should we log off forever or go live in a cave? And not even close. The fix isn't some brain melting complex password, it's way simpler. Make it longer, not harder. Enter the passphrase, grab 4 or 5 random unrelated words: purple, toaster, running, sky, or correct a horse, battery, staple. Yeah, that's a real famous one from XKCD. Easy to remember because it's a silly story in your head. But for a computer to brute force with spaces, hyphens, and lengths, we're talking centuries, even with a supercomputer. Here's a wide slaps. Entropy short version, more character equals exponentially harder math. An 8 character password has like possibilities. A 20 character passphrase hackers rage quit. But don't stop there. Layer on two factor authentication. Two factor authentication is like the bouncer at the club. Hacker guesses your password, cool, now send a code to your phone. Or better, use an app like Authai or Google Authenticator, no SMS hacks, turn it on everywhere. Gmail, banking apps, social apps, it takes 30 seconds to set up and you will be saved. Your password isn't weak because it's simple, it's weak because you are predictable just like the rest of us. Your password isn't weak because it's simple, it's weak because you are predictable just like the rest of us. But now you know better. Go change that one main password you reuse everywhere right now. Update to a passphrase enable two factor authentication and you will be saved. If this debugged your brain and you want more spicy tech further stuff, big tech hopes you ignore, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell. Drop a comment. What's your favorite go to passphrase? I'm your coding buddy Lishpa, keeping you glitch free and one step ahead. Allah Hafiz, stay safe out there. See you in the next one.